Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing the Holman, previously known as Kargo Master, rear window screens for a Ford Transit Connect, part number 4079T, and let's get into it. So, Kargo Master recently changed their name to Holman. So if you see Holman and Kargo Master, it's the same thing. Kargo Master was purchased by Holman, and they essentially just renamed the company Holman. They actually renamed a bunch of their business units to be Holman as well. These are rear window screens for Ford Transit. It's really for the rear barn doors. You can get the liftgate option on the Ford Transit Connect. So this is gonna have two screens in it, one for each door. And they're steel window guards, and the primary purpose of those is to protect the valuables inside of the van. And the secondary purpose for me is to protect the glass. Because if you're using your van for work and you've got lumber, equipment, tools, whatever in the back, I like to protect that glass, because if you shut the door or something shifts around in transit, you know, you're talking about a new piece of glass, which is always fun to have to replace. So, yeah, look at this. This is 7-gauge steel grid, and this is labeled 4079T1, and we've got 4079T2. And so sometimes the photos can be a little misleading on, you know, the website of what they actually look like, but you can see the curvature. This is going to match the curvature of those windows on the van. It does include a installation guide. It's just generic window screen installation instructions. This isn't necessarily specific for the Transit Connect, although they do put in the part numbers for the Connect, which is great. We do have a little warranty card here. If you buy this from Upfit Supply or another authorized reseller of Holman products, you get a 3-year warranty. If you buy it from someone who isn't authorized, you don't get a warranty. So that's just one thing to consider, is you want to make sure that they're an authorized installer. We've got about, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I believe, self-tapping screws. Well, I can't tell if these are self-tapping, if you got the drill for these. And they have little lock washers as well. So it gives you all the hardware you need to install these. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 mounting points on each of these, between the two, so 6 on each. They give us like 14 or 15 screws, so we got a couple extra to lose along the way. And like I said, these are you know, really molded for the window on the van, so these are only going to fit one way. It's either on the left side or the right side. So yeah, these are powder coated gray, 7-gauge steel, you know, really solid. Like, and you're not going to be able to just cut through this easily or anything like that. Once you get this secured onto the window with these, you know, what are these? Number 12, 11 by 3/4 inch. So pretty thick screws too. So those are, once you have those in place, that's going to be kind of hard to get through this. But again, kind of a 2 to 3-fold purpose for these. Protect valuables, so if someone just comes by and smashes a window, they can't reach their hand in there and grab your expensive drills or tools, equipment, supplies, whatever that is. The other thing is it protects the glass. You slam a door, 2x4 hits this, you know, it's not going to shatter your glass. And another thing that I've seen people use this for, sometimes people will buy these window screens even if they don't have glass on the van, and they'll have it mounted and they'll hang bungee cords and bottles and various equipment, and they'll use it almost like an organization system. So that's another reason that people may use these window screens. A simple solution to protect your cargo van and protect the value of everything that you have, as well as the value of the van, and keep yourself from having to replace glass, which is always good. So this is everything that you get. If you're looking for this or any other equipment to upfit your van to make it work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.